Hello, YouTube people. So here we have two Atari 1200XL computers that I repaired the keyboards on. I repaired the keyboard on this one approximately like a month and a half ago, and on this one like a couple months, something like that ago. And I used a method I came up with called the heat shrink method. Okay, so now I'm going to go back and see if that fix is still fixed, and I'm going to do that now. So I'm going to do this one first. This was repaired last, this was repaired first, and after I test this, then I'll test this one. This one is in excellent condition. It's practically mint. This one has scratches on it, so it's not mint. It's in like normal condition, I guess you'd call it. But these things actually, you can get them a dime a dozen now. They're all over eBay. You know, you can get one for like very cheap. I think they made like about 250,000 of these back in 82 or 83, and then they stopped making them, and then they started making the 800XLs and 600XLs. But anyways, so I'm gonna get to testing the keyboards. Here we go. Okay, so here is the last keyboard I fixed on the 1200XL, and I'm going to, it's in basic right now. I got a basic cartridge in the slot. I'm going to type buy to go to the opening screen there, press help to go to the self-diagnostic. I'll select keyboard, press start. Okay, so start key works, select option F1, F2, F3, F4. I'll press help, it'll just go back to the menu. Press the inverse key. Okay, break doesn't do anything in this. Backspace. Now do the shift keys, control key. Okay, it works. Press help key, goes back, press reset. Let's press the break key. Does break key work? Hello? Why, it does work. So the whole keyboard works. It's fine, perfectly functioning. Now to the other 1200XL. Okay, so this is the first 1200XL keyboard that I repaired. I fixed it like 2.5 months ago. So I'm going to type buy to get into self-diagnostics, help key, select keyboard, start. So start works. Break key don't work in this thing. Not in the self-diagnostic. Shift keys, control keys, okay, hub key, yes, resets. Okay, this is a test. Okay, break, yep. So all the keys on this work as well. So I think this is a good fix for these type of keyboards. Any keyboards that use the Mylar thing with the blue silicone tips on the bottom of the keycaps. I think this is a good fix. I think the blue silicone on the bottom of the keycaps, I think they get weak over time, and you need to put like a little collar over them to like strengthen them up. And it's working, and so I'm hoping to test this out like in another year or so and see, if it stays fixed. people that fixes these Mylar keyboards, the consensus that I've heard is generally over a period of time you have to go back and fix them again. So I'm hoping this is like a permanent fix that you know, so you don't have to lift the Mylar up and clean underneath, do all that stuff, because I don't think that's the problem. I think the problem is the blue silicone fingers that's underneath each keycap. I think that's the problem, the main problem. Yeah, can the Mylar get, you know, over time it gets, you know, depressed down, and so it's not as it doesn't make enough contact. Yeah, I think that may contribute to it, but again, I think the main cause is the blue silicone fingers underneath the keycaps, like I said a dozen times before. Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. Thumbs up if you like it. Leave a comment if you disagree with me about this fix. I think I'm right. Tell me if I'm wrong, but I think I'm right. So I hope this fixes your keyboard. If you have a problem, you know, I hope this solution helps you out. If you have one of these machines, or even some of the TI 1200As have this same type of Mylar by MITSUMI. So hopefully, you know, this is a good solution for everybody. Okay, guys, this is Scotty with Scotty Animation. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you later.